Hey guys, sorry I haven't videoed in a while. I kind of wanted to do a Sonoline Fetal Doppler review today. I purchased this off of Amazon, is where I got it from. And we are almost 16 weeks along, but I had heard that you can do it as early as 10 to 11 weeks and hear your little one's heartbeat, so this is something that we wanted to try out. And it just kind of came in a little box like this. And this is what it actually looks like. I went through a lot of different ones, trying to find the best ones and reading reviews and looking on YouTube, kind of like I'm doing now, to see what everybody else's suggestion was. And I found that this was the one that had been like top rated or the most for your money kind of deal. It came with a little tube of jelly like this. And I actually, when I first got it, didn't know that it came with any jelly. So I went into my bathroom, got some hair gel, and used that. And then my little one was holding the package up, and then out dumped a tube of gel. So I was like, oh, okay. So, but here it is. I'll turn it on for you. And, there are different modes on the left side, and you're supposed to use mode 1. The first day was kind of getting discouraged because I couldn't find the heartbeat, and I just really concentrated, put a little more gel on there, and I was able to find it, and it was like 135, 136, which I found to be fairly normal. So you just take this little probe off, and you move around on your belly, and you can hear your little one's heartbeat. And it was really sweet, and I found it about twice now. I tried to use it without the jelly just because it's a little less messy if you don't have to apply the jelly, but I really found that it didn't quite pick up as well, and it was really difficult to find if you didn't use the jelly. So that's definitely something you will want to use. I'm really pleased with it. You can turn it down, and then once you feel like you found it by seeing the heartbeat on the monitor, you can turn it up so that it's not so noisy and you don't hear all those gassy bubbles or rumbles in your tummy. So I'm really pleased with it. My husband got to hear the heartbeat on the Doppler as well, and we really like it. So overall, I'm very pleased with the product, and I hope you guys found this helpful. Thanks. Bye.